what is up, RestoMods Nation? Joe here with our 1970 Dodge Charger with the 400 big block and tons of other goodies, including a 4-speed manual. You're probably wondering, why is this GoPro strapped to my chest? Well, I'm gonna take you guys on a little body cam ride along in the 1970 Dodge Charger so that you can see how it feels to drive this beast. And don't forget, you can win this car and 20 grand in cash over at RestoMods.com. Link will be in the description below. So let's do this. Switching to first person mode. All right, RestoMods Nation, turning this car on is the real treat. So we're gonna flip up this big red switch here, then battery, fuel, ECU, and ignition. Gonna wait for the fuel pump to charge up. Boom, it's ready to go. And there she is. So guys, perhaps the most unique thing about this 1970 Charger is not just the blacked out matte paint, but really the 400 cubic inch big block under the hood. Dodge Chargers weren't available with 400s from the factory until 1971, a year after this Charger was built. So that's a hint that this 400 was swapped in at some point in time, but not before it was completely rebuilt with aluminum heads, forged crank and pistons, and more. Tech electronic fuel injection kit for perfect fuel delivery. Now the transmission I'm shifting is an A833 4-speed manual transmission, which was available for these Chargers in the late 60s and early 70s. This one has been rebuilt actually, and it feels really good for a period correct transmission. This Charger also turns nice and easy thanks to a Flaming River quick ratio steering box and an electronic power steering system with variable input on a dial switch under the dash. And she also sounds great thanks to a Borla stainless exhaust. The car corners well for a Charger, honestly, thanks to tubular upper control arms and front coil-overs. The Charger also stops on a dime from front and back Wilwood disc brakes. It's also got a Wilwood master cylinder as well. All right, guys, that completes our ride along of the 1970 Dodge Charger. Don't forget, this Charger is a sweepstakes car, which means you can win this car and own it with $20,000 in cash in the driver's seat. So all you got to do is go to RestoMods.com and you can win this bad boy. It is complete. It is finished. There's nothing else you need to do to it. Look at this thing. You saw me driving it. You saw how good it felt. And you could be in the driver's seat doing exactly what I just did. So get entered to win, you guys. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this Charger ride along. And as always, keep cruising.